It's winter in southeast Kansas. Even the snow geese have arrived for a quick layover. The birds are huddling up, trying to stay warm against the cold wind. And there's not a lot to stop the wind from blowing across these prairies. But it is pretty. Tonight is the last clear night for the next 10 days. So I wanted to come out here into this spot, and I'm so far away from the roads that cars won't come through and mess up the shot. And I'm going to try to get a night lapse of the stars. My plan is to frame this night sky up right between those trees and try to get the night sky. That's southeast back through there. The sun has just set into the southwest, and you can see it going down back over there. And I'll get the camera set up and get ready for when the stars come out. Well, I shared the settings on my camera in the last video. This video, just sort of show you the setup, try to describe what I'm doing, and we will see how it turns out. Let's get the tripod all set up in place. I learned from last week that 20-second shutter speed is too much, and so tonight I'm going to reduce it down to 10, and then with a 5-second interval between shots, we will get that to a 15-second interval total. I want a long time lapse, so I'm shooting 721 pictures. That will enable me to have a 30-second time lapse, which will take 3 hours to shoot, and that's okay. Let's see if we can't. When the stars come out, we will hit go on this bad boy and let it start. I think Kansas has my favorite state motto. It's ad astra per aspera. To the stars with difficulty. I think of the pioneers who came out through here in prairie schooners, who came out on these plains and wintered over out here Right now, it's about 10 degrees. It'll get below 0 tonight, but I get to go home to a warm house after I finish this little hike. They didn't. At best, they would have a soddy, a little sod house, and they'd spend the winter out here. So beautiful, so rugged. To the stars with difficulty.